Guys, first mow with the Husqvarna V554 stand-on mower, and here it is. First time ever, first property, and it did a fantastic job, as you can tell. I'm not one of those guys that will tell you I'm showing you. It did an outstanding job. It was extremely fast, faster than my current mower. No clogging. The only thing that I will say is that I definitely need a mulching kit, because this thing shoots the grass extremely far away, which is good if you have a field or something big. So it's awesome. So this is the first cut ever. All right, see you in the next one. It fits pretty good in there. We're gonna try putting the Husqvarna, put in a 48 and also a 32. We'll see. All right. This is property number 2, guys, mowed exclusively with the Husqvarna V554. This is Centipede grass, which was mowed at a height of 2.5 inches. Look at that beautiful cut. I have no complaints, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. Nice crispy edge. Nice cut. All right. Still in the process of getting used to it as far as that one little handle. But as you can tell, great cut. All right. We'll keep it moving. All right, guys. Getting those beds nice and tight. Awesome. All right, guys, both of these properties were mowed with the Husqvarna 554, and we'll get you some mowing footage here pretty soon. But what I want to do is just to show you what the mower is doing, the cut. I don't want to tell you, and then next thing you know, you're only going by what I say. I want to show you. I want to show you how great the cut is. I want to show you what it can do. I want to show you how even, how nice, how dispersed it is. And at the end of the day, guys, you make up your mind. Simple as that, right? Like I said, we heard a lot of things on the internet. I don't care. I don't care what the internet say, guys. It's about your specific experience with your specific lawn and your specific type of grass and what you do. Okay? That's what it's all about. Listen to what the YouTubers say, but at the end of the day, guys, is what your experience is. I mow weekly and bi-weekly. You may be mowing one-time cuts. I'm mowing Centipede grass, Zoysia, Bermuda, St. Augustine. You may be mowing tall fescue or what you got. You know what I mean? So don't take these reviews and run with it, okay? Because that's what I've been getting a lot. Don't you know, you're wasting your time typing these reviews or what you heard other people say, okay? Be your own individual and pay attention to what pertains to you and your type of conditions where you're working in. You know what I mean? Because I tell you that you need to buy a 60-inch mower doesn't mean that you're going to go out there and buy a 60-inch mower and all your mowing is rural, small yards. You know what I'm getting? I'm not trying to be a butt here, guys, but just pay attention to what you're doing or what you're listening to when you see these reviews. All right? I'm showing you exactly what this mower is doing in my conditions. And again, yes, Husqvarna gave me this for free, but guess what? I can say whatever the heck I want to. Why? Because it's mine. What they gonna do? Come over here and take it from me? Come on, guys. Let's be honest now. I'm gonna show you the real deal. If this cuts like crap, Laser Grass Lawn Care is gonna tell you it cuts like crap. Now, the only thing that I have to get used to, and which is not a big deal because I'm very self-conscious about it, is you gotta have your hands here and this down at all times so the engine can run. No big deal. You know, this is our third lawn and I've been getting used to it. Now, some guys, I don't know, somebody told me that this gets real hot and ooh, you know, oh my God, you know, it gets so hot and how you gonna be, okay. Right now it's 97 degrees. I'm in the south. I guess it's not hot yet, right? But I will definitely tell you guys, I will definitely tell you if it gets too hot or if it gets uncomfortable, okay? So this is a real deal, guys. This is not a let's make this mower look good. All right, guys, enough of what I'm saying. Next is gonna be some mowing footage, okay? Now, don't pay attention to my mowing patterns. You guys love to talk about mowing patterns. I don't care, guys. We don't stripe. I keep telling you, we don't stripe. Look at this lawn right here. Huh? There's no stripes on it. We don't stripe, guys. I wish you guys just could understand what I'm trying to tell you. We do not stripe. So don't worry about my mowing patterns. Look at the end result. That's what I want you to focus on. I want you to focus on the end result. Okay? Focus on the end result, and then you know, we can take it from there. All right. And again, like I said before, and I don't know if I'm repeating myself, but I do need a chute blocker for the type of properties that I do. I need a chute blocker. A chute blocker would make things a little bit faster for me, but no big deal. We'll work it as it come. Right. Next is some mowing footage. Alright guys, we are finishing up this one, and just wanted to show you the backyard. This is one of those that we basically never show. Look at that. Q doing his thing. Yeah, baby. Looking real nice. Now this is a Centipede lawn, which we mow at 4 inches. It is highly fertilized and beautiful. We mow this one every week, once a week. And then we got the one across the street, and then we got the one down the bottom. But there you go. See that? Pretty nice, right? I think it is. And again, done with the Husqvarna V554. So that's Crispy Edge, and Q is over there doing his thing. There you go. Nice. Crispy Edge. Why do we say that? You can see it, right? But I guess we always have to say it. Crispy Edge. All right. All right, guys. See you on the next one. Pop Smoke. It's hot as hell too. Peace.